What's up guys, I'm Sylveon and this is the new Poké-Pet from Japan. It's a Tamagotchi, it's a Pokemon Tamagotchi, and I ordered one from Mecha Japan, which is a site that sells them online. It arrived today, so let's unbox it and see what it's like. So they've got this tape here that's quite reinforced, put it that way. This was actually supposed to come yesterday, but for some reason the post was, I don't know, messing up. But from what I've heard from my friends around the world, the post isn't particularly reliable anywhere at the moment. This tape is very hard to tear through, so I've got to cut it. I've been playing the new Pokemon game as well. I have actually completed the main storyline now, the Pokemon Legends ZA. I've enjoyed it. It's been good. The Mega Pokemon were quite difficult to defeat. Some of them were, at least. Barbaracle was the worst, and the final boss was difficult but not too bad. Right, okay, so I've got some, oh, it's actually wrapped in this brown paper, so there we go. It is by Takara Tomy, so I'll just move this closer and down a bit so that easier for everyone to see, as it is quite a small item, and it's all, well, pretty much mostly in Japanese. You got Pokemon Friends Pokeball, it says on the front there. It is Poké-Pat or Poké-Pet, pet Pokemon, and they'll react in a cute way. Become friends with 157 Pokemon, so you can become friends with your favourite if you want. Well, actually, I don't know if my favourite's on here, it's Mewtwo, but I do like Lucario as well, and quite a few of the others. You can choose between English and Japanese. That's why I bought it. I wouldn't have bothered otherwise. And there's some cute little pictures of screenshots of the little Pokemon, the Pikachu. And there's Lucario, and there's Eevee, and there's can't remember the name of that one. I could probably if I thought about it, but I'm not going to waste time thinking about Pokemon names when everyone wants to see this unboxed and not me rambling about it. So it is shaped like a Pokeball. And it's got like a sort of speaker there. And you can put it on a lanyard if you want. There's a bit there for a lanyard. And does it have batteries? We want to ask ourselves. I'm thinking it probably takes AAAs, and we'll have to pause the video and go and find some AAAs. Let's get the instructions out and have a look at what they say. So, oh, what's that? It's all in Japanese. My Japanese isn't really that good. I have learned a bit of Japanese, like basic phrases and stuff from anime, but I cannot read the written word or characters. Requires 4 AAA sized batteries, not included, so there you go. So I will also get a screwdriver for this, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I've got a screwdriver and I've got batteries. I remember when I used to do these videos, I would actually not even pause it. I'd just leave everyone waiting for me to get back. But luckily now, you can actually pause videos on your phone. Now let's put these batteries in. Got 2 that go in that way. 2 that go in the other way. And the reason I put the camera back on again is because I don't know what it's going to do when I've put these batteries in it, whether it turns on immediately, and I don't want you guys to miss anything. So I've just put the batteries in, I'm screwing the cover back on. So what we have is this Pokemon Friends Pokeball. I want it in English. What is your name? Ooh. I usually put my name on it. I'm not going to put Sylveon. I'm going to put my nickname. Why did I go back this way for the Z or the Z? Oh, you can actually have a small Z. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to do it all capitals now, aren't I? Because I didn't know you had small. ones. There we go. Now, how do I enter? Whoops. Oh, how do I delete? Oh, okay, it's there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna just pause this because you don't want to see me doing all this. Okay, there we go. I've put my name in small. And you have to go all the way over to... Okay. Is this okay? Yes. My skin colour. I don't really want to be the palest one. Those two look the same, to be honest. Oh well. I do catch the sun easily. Oh, and it's asking me what time it is, I think, now. Okay, I'll just set this up. It is 1:53 in the afternoon. Let's travel with your Pokemon. Become friends with all kinds of Pokemon and play with them every day. Let's go catch a Pokemon. Oh, it's a Pikachu. It looks like Pikachu is hungry. Bake a cake. Oh dear. Oh, okay. This is what I've got to do. And you've got to do this. Bearing in mind it's difficult to do this with my arms outstretched. Did I burn it? Oh, I hope not. Oh no, it's a 1-star cherry cake. Pikachu likes it. Will I catch him? Ooh. Hooray. I like how it sort of like looks like the rest of the Pokeball, you know, it's the part that's missing right in the middle there. Pikachu! So I've got my first Pokemon. Pikachu is happy. There's confetti around him. So he's electric type, and I'm guessing he doesn't have a second type. Become partners. Yes. 1 cake. So you can level them up. Looks like 100, either that's 157 levels or there's 157 different Pokemon, which I think it's the different Pokemon, isn't it? You became friends with Pikachu. Let's pet Pikachu. Try petting your Pokemon like this. Okay. Try petting your Pokemon like this. Try petting Pokemon in other ways too. Become friends with lots of Pokemon. So Pikachu is thinking about a bath. Let's see what I can do. Oh, it's the middle one. Oh, here we go, care. So I suppose it would be care, wouldn't it? This one. Wash. We have to bathe Pikachu. And I'm guessing, yes, that's right. You've got to use your hand on top of the ball. So to make your Pokemon happy, I'm guessing you've got to make those hearts all filled up. So you've got care, play, Pokemon battle, friend list, diary, In settings. Let's have a look at play. What games can we play with him? You've got a box game and a music game. Let's try the box game. Hide and seek. 3 boxes. There are 3 Pokemon. I'm keeping an eye on the box that Pikachu is in. Am I right? Yay, there he is. So I'm guessing I've got to play this until the stars at the top are full. And it gets harder. Oh boy. Oh God. This is probably wrong. Oh no, I got it right. Okay. I couldn't even follow it then. That was like really fast. I think it's this one. Nope. Oh, so if you lose, then that ends the game. I got an 8 out of 10. It wasn't too bad. So it's a simple enough game. It's quite fun. And Pikachu's hearts are slowly filling up. Oh, what's this? Something's happening. The Shelder. Give a berry. Okay. God. That took a lot. So what happens if you don't get all the berries? It's definitely a game of reflexes, this. See if I can try and catch him. I'm guessing that it gets easier to catch them if you don't miss any of the berries. So like as soon as you miss a berry... Oh, Shuckle, sorry, not Shelder. I don't know what I was talking about. It's stupid because I know Pokemon, and when you put on the spot, you're just like, I don't remember any of their names. It's Bug and Rock, I think that is. Become friends, yes. 10 berries, yay. Oh, I see. Yeah, so I've got 2 out of 157 and one of them's leveled up, Pikachu, I'm guessing. So my partner Pokemon is Pikachu, and I've become friends with Shuckle. Oh, here's another one. It's a Teddy Ursa, and I know that's right. Give a berry. Here we go again. Oh, I missed it that time. And it only just started as well. Guess I'm not getting a Teddy Ursa. What's Pikachu thinking? Oh no, I think I have to catch it. Let's be more patient this time. Nope. He's got a heart by him though, so do I get a chance to catch him? I do, but will I catch him because I didn't give him enough berries? He might break out. Ooh. Oh, I did catch him. Teddy Ursa, normal type. Become friends. Oh, okay. So before I just did that, and did I become friends? But if I put him in there, see if I can become friends. Yeah, with the Shuckle, I never put him in the box. I just said become friends. Oh, there's another one. This one is like a rare one. It might be harder to catch. Oh, no. Still, I think I've done enough berries. What happens if you don't catch it? I managed to catch that one as well. Shaming, that was it. Shaman is grass type. Oh, okay. Become friends. So I was asking Teddy Ursa or Shaman. I'll make friends with Shaman. So I like that one. It's like a little grassy hedgehog. And I got 8 berries out of 10. So I've leveled up Pikachu again. Oh, there we go. So Pikachu and Shaman are now actually together. So I've got 2 of them in my living space. Friend list. Let's have a look at friend list. These are all the Pokemon I've become friends with. So I've had no Pokemon battles. The most I think the best I've done is 10 berries. I've made 1 cake 8 boxes out of 10 and I haven't played the music game yet. I don't know how to get back. Oh no, you long press that. Say goodbye. Oh no, I don't want to say goodbye. Right, Pikachu, Shaman, Shuckle, Teddiursa. Pikachu, Shaman, Shuckle, Teddiursa. How do you go back though, is it? I don't know how to actually get off this menu. Or do I just let it sit there and then it will just eventually decide that it's going to change? There doesn't seem to be a back button. I mean, if I do that, it's to become friends again. So I'm guessing when you say become friends, that's having it in the living space with your other Pokemon. Let's have a look about the buttons. It's all in Japanese. Fantastic. It'll tell you when the battery's running out. And you've got the screen. That's the speaker. You've got this little thing here, which may be to connect with others. It's a tiny little sort of indent in there, which could be like an infrared camera. You've got forward and back and the middle button. Oh, you press them both at the same time. No, that doesn't do anything. And if you long press this, it doesn't seem to do anything either. Oh no, it does go back. Okay. Oh, so you just long press the middle one and it will go back. Let's have a look at diary. Raz's diary. It's Pikachu. Oh, here we go. Day 1. You caught a shaman and became friends with it. So you have to choose one to be your friend. I don't know how many Pokemon you can have at the same time in your garden, as it were. So on here we've got call, we've got sound, clock, language, brightness, hand colour, name, and delete save data. We've done care. The other one I wanted to do before I end the video was this other game, because we haven't done the one with the little musical note. So let's have a look at what this one is. Sing together. Okay. Right. Oh no, okay. Oh, so you're not allowed to touch them, only that. Oh, no, no, wait, it's the arrow buttons. You've got to press the arrow buttons, haven't you? Okay, I get it now. Right, yeah, because it shows you there. I just know this is going to get faster. Oh, it didn't get faster. Okay. So let's go back. And there they are. Now Shaman wants to have a bath, so I'll have to bathe him, or her. And yeah, so that's the Poké Pet. I think it's pretty cool. I like that it's shaped like a Pokeball. I like that you can pet them. Like this. I think if you tip it, if you tilt it, no, it's just because Shaman kept coming up, so I thought that maybe that was the I was tipping it that way and I thought that was why, but I think actually Shaman's the active Pokemon. So yeah, I enjoyed this. This is good. I'm going to do some more playing around with it and see how my Pokemon grow, and I'll do another video at some point in the future to show you which Pokemon I've caught. I don't know if I guess the screen will turn off if you don't sort of use it or anything for a bit. I like the idea of petting. The controls are easy enough, the games are quite simple. I think really this is more about collecting the Pokemon than much else. I don't know if they get upset or run away or get sick if you don't look after them, so I'll have to address all that in a future video. What's this? Oh, I think they just want stuff, so that's why. When I press this button, nothing happens. So it's really only the middle one which brings up the menu. Okay, well, if you want to see more virtual pet videos, you can click the boxes that come up below. As always, if you enjoy what I do, feel free to send me a tip over on Ko-fi, link is in the description, or a YouTube super thanks. And that's all for this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Sylveon signing off.